Work through the weekend. Tropical storm. We also have another tropical wave and a brand new tropical depression we're watching. This is way out, forecast to be way out through the middle of next week. But Jose, on the other hand, is something we are watching. It hasn't moved from its position much here. It's still about 500 miles south of Bermuda, 70-mile-per-hour winds, but it is forecast now to strengthen back into a hurricane as we go through the weekend and begin that turn to the north at a pretty good distance here offshore. But look what happens as we get into early next week. At the end of the cone here, couple of things. This is a Category 1 hurricane with 80-mile-per-hour winds, and you can see where it is located here, just south of southern New England, and that forecast cone now has this coming into southern New England as we get into Tuesday night and during the day on Wednesday. Now, a lot of our computer models have jogged west with this overnight, so the threat for a direct impact is increasing in the sense that we may get in on some rain and some wind with this, and this is one of our computer models pushing those tropical storm force winds into southern New England, but keeping the hurricane force winds just offshore. What we're going to be watching, in addition to the eventual track of Jose, is an area of high pressure to the north, and with that we're going to have an enhanced wind, but we'll also have a new moon and astronomically high tides, so coastal flooding may be a concern as Jose comes up the coastline as well. So lots to watch here heading into next week. In the meantime, 60s to near 70 out the door right now. Radar's picking up on the last little bit of showers here up through the Merrimack Valley, but the remnants of Irma still working on through. So as we go through the day, we're going to see more of these showers.